more important than which of those 3 or 4 angles you just mentioned you should take. Like when you said that, that sounded more strategic, marketing strategic.
Right.
I'm not your guy for that. I want to know which of those 3 or 4 keep you up at night. Like if you were told you could only talk about this for the next 50 engagements, which one of those would? It doesn't need to be one. I'm just saying, like, what's your thing, right? Once you figure that out, then you will find your audience. You know what I mean? That's to me that just, and that's my perspective. Like you might get, like there's some people who are great at figuring out like what's happening, what's strategic. I would start with, I'm always about the heart first. Like I'm just that guy.